mixing some more material in this basement as we're applying this, embedding this fiberglass mesh into the Basecrete. So you can see very easy to pour the powder in. Mess with the electric paddle. We're going to go for like a milkshake consistency. Mix again. Wait a few minutes and then mix it up again. In the meantime, we're going to apply the mesh into the Basecrete. Hey, let's put that mesh on now, and then we'll give it a quick mix again. Ponemos mesh ahora, Maya ahora.
Ya.
Sí, y después mixamos uno más veces. My Spanish is amazing.
No, espérate. Que le volvemos otra vez. Esta es otra removida. Estira esta de una vez, pero. La ouija. La ouija. ¿Dónde está? Préstame un knife.
Have you let me have the knife?
No me agarres la mano, por. ¿Listo? Listo. Aquí dice.
We're applying the Basecrete to make sure that we are hitting all of the grooves of the mesh. Again, it does not have to be covered by this coat. It doesn't matter if the mesh is still visible as long as we're getting the material into all of the grooves of the mesh. We're going to fully cover it on the next coat.
15 minutes.
See, all this has been done. That's our crack repair. Just going to go out into that corner behind the fridge there.